Guys, I am Glen from Harrods Garage. This video is a collaboration between myself at Harrods Garage and Subaru. So thanks for watching. In this video we're going to be checking out 5 things I love about my Forester. Let's go check it out. Okay, so the first thing that I love about my Forester is the boxer engine. I love that rumble, and with my Forester the whole exhaust system is custom. Do a cold start up for you guys. My Forester's got a 3-inch dump, 2.5-inch mid pipe, where it divides off with the stock diff back to the left of the car with a 3-inch tip, and to the right I've got a 3-inch exhaust cutout. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, I've done a little bit of work to the engine, so it's going to be a little bit rough on startup. So we've got a TGV delete. That was a bad cock setup. That was only up to 2,500 revs too, guys. Just gonna move it over here and we'll wash it. He hasn't finished with his blower. Alright, second thing, the bodywork. Done a lot of the bodywork. I've done all the bodywork myself. Let's check it out. Alright guys, we'll start from the front. I went the sleeper look, so I've got the NA grille, got an NA bonnet, which is black, which is the same paint code as the STI bumper. Taking the stickers off, fog light covers, and I also chopped out some here for my front mount intercooler. So the guards and the bonnet, I got them both for half price, and they are off the same car, so they're faded the same, so that's what I wanted. So they got the red fleck as you just saw through it, same as the bumper. So I've got some paint made up. I did the lower portion of the doors. I've got this custom rear bar that I did too. Made a copy of this and just grafted it onto this side. These bottom sections are off STI bumper, so the same version as the front, but you might be able to tell that this is GT bumper. The STI, the JDM STI one, has a shorter section in here, as you can tell. Also with the fog lights, it's starting to crack and come out, so I've got hit, which is here too. Also made these wider flares as well. These are fiberglass. So here's the normal ones. Here's my bigger one, so we can get some wider wheels under the back there. They are my first set that I've done, so there's still a little bit to do on them. And I'm also working on some front guards as well. That's why the black one's on, because I'm working on original red ones. So normally the guard's red and the bonnet is red, so it's just red over black. That's what I'm going for. A bit more of a sleeper without the GT bonnet as well. Number 3 guys, I built my own engine. It's like the third time I've built it actually. Number 4 thing I love about my car is it's different. It's got a compound turbo setup. If you're not sure what a compound turbo setup is, it's a larger turbo feeding into a smaller turbo. If you know what compound interest is, it just adds on top. It's not like 2 plus 2, it's like 2 plus 2.2. That little bit extra on top. Let's say 7 pounds and 7 pounds doesn't equal 14, it equals more like 18. There is a science behind it. I've done all the numbers. This is a new configuration for me, so haven't quite worked out all the tuning parts just yet. But yeah. So built my own engine. Got a different type of turbo setup than I've ever seen on a Subaru Forester. The 5th thing that I love about my Forester, it's practical. I've got a family, can put the little man in the back, can chuck his bike in the back, can head out, go for a ride. Plenty of room. I've even got a tow bar on this, as you probably saw. So I can even tow that trailer, go get car parts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. A little something different, bit of a collaboration with SUBIEWOO. I look forward to seeing you over at my channel, checking out the Forester. I've also got the Skyline if you saw it in the background. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.